What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, dee da dee da dee da. Do what, do da dee da do da dee da. Murder that, dance floor, dance floor.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the video title what the video is about, and this is something I made, and these look so pretty, and I love cat ears, and every time I go shopping I see these really pretty cat ears and I'm like, I have to buy it, but they are really expensive and not really worth the price. So I decided to DIY them. So I'm really excited, and let's get started. For all the next 3 DIYs you're going to need 3D stickers and headband. For the first one, take your metallic sticker and flip it over. Place it in the shape of a triangle. Next, I'm taking my hot glue gun and applying it on the back side. Let it dry completely, and this is how it looks. So I stuck some pearls as well, but it's totally optional. Next, take your glue gun or any glue you're using and apply some on the headband. Now hold it in place for some time and repeat on the next side as well. And yes, this is the part where I got burned because I touched the hot glue. So be careful. For this one, take a sticker and apply hot glue on one side and stick it to the next one. Repeat it and form a triangle shape. I took 4, 3, 2, 1 as the sequence, but you can add more. You can take 5 or 6 and it just looks bigger. Now stick each row using hot glue. Another method is by taking transparent tape and applying the stickers on it. I am using 4 stickers as base and cutting it out. Next, apply another piece of tape overlapping the first one and stick the stickers. Keep doing this, and once you're finished, just cut out the excess. To stick it to the headband, apply some hot glue, place the stickers on it and hold it for a few seconds. That's it. Now this one is the easiest of all. So all you got to do is take some pearl stickers and stick the top using glue. So this is how we get a triangle shape. Next, apply glue on the headband and stick the pearls on it. This is so easy and so inexpensive. You're going to need a headband, glittery tape and scissors. Start by taking the tape, and depending on how long you want it, measure it and cut it out. So we are basically sticking the tape around the headband. Next, take another piece and overlap it a little with the first one and stick it, then cut it out. Now once you're happy with how thick it looks, draw the shape of yours and cut it out neatly. That's all. That is it for my video. If you like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you're notified every single time I post a video. And I will see you guys next Monday. Bye.
It's a beautiful day. I can't stop myself from smiling.